Have you been searching for a condo on the beach with a view like that?
Well, search no more. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo on the 9th floor has ocean views and views of the Intercoastal Waterway. The Criterion Condo building in Pompano Beach, Florida is a modern high-rise building with luxurious amenities. The building features a fitness center, swimming pool, and a wraparound balcony with stunning views of the ocean and the city. Unit 906 is a spacious and stylish condo with an open floor plan, high ceilings, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The unit has a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a granite countertop, a large living area with a balcony, and 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The unit also comes with 1 assigned parking space in the building's garage. Overall, the Criterion Condo building offers a luxurious and comfortable living experience in a great location. The original floor plan of this model, Unit number 906, used to be a 3-bedroom condo. The owner took the wall down and opened it up to make the master bedroom larger, so that's why there's a sitting area inside the master bedroom. If you add the wall back and put a door on the other side by the living room, you'll have a 3-bedroom condo again. So this could be a 3-bedroom.